Yeah.
My son sent me this box for Mother's Day. And it says, fully remove gift box from shipping box and plastic bag. Place the box on a flat surface away from other items or obstructions. Make sure to tie up any long hair, no problem there. And get your camera ready using the knob on the top of the box. Remove the lid in a quick motion. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, now I have to clean up this mess.
No.
Thank you, my child.